Absolutely. Here's a well-crafted, natural-sounding YouTube review script for the SHANTU SD90-C5 Dumper 2025, with no headings and in a scrambled conversational review format. All right, let's get into it. Today we're talking about something massive, bold, and built for performance, the SHANTU SD90-C5 Dumper 2025. Now, first impression, this machine looks like it means business. The ultra-shiny grey finish instantly grabs your attention, super sleek for an industrial beast. You wouldn't expect a dumper to have this kind of polished, high-end aesthetic. I mean, when you step around the back, the proportions are insane. It's wide, balanced, and every panel feels solid. The rear design is functional, but has this aggressive stance that makes it feel almost futuristic, and that glossy coating reflects everything. Especially if you catch it under proper lighting, like in a showroom or a polished floor environment, it just pops. Okay, stepping inside, we gotta talk about that dashboard. It's not what you'd expect in a heavy-duty vehicle. It's fully digital, super intuitive, and built with the operator in mind. You've got high-visibility readouts, touch-sensitive controls, and even ambient lighting around the edges. You almost forget you're in a dumper. Now, as for power, this thing's no slouch. Under the hood, it's engineered for extreme loads and long shifts. You can tell SHANTU has taken feedback from operators seriously because everything, from the seat position to the steering grip, feels tuned for endurance. Let's not forget the safety features. We're talking advanced stability control, blind spot monitoring, and even terrain feedback systems. In a dumper, that's next level. It's almost like driving a smart truck disguised as a brute. So who is this for? It's built for serious construction sites, mining operations, and any environment where you need power, efficiency, and durability, but with a touch of style and operator comfort. In short, the SHANTU SD90-C5 Dumper 2025 isn't just about moving dirt. It's about redefining what a modern industrial machine can look and feel like. Heavy duty doesn't have to mean outdated anymore. Let me know if you'd like this adapted for voiceover with dramatic pauses or music cues.